Hi and welcome back to the channel HSC Talks with Mohit. And today we are going to discuss one of the very favorite topic for which all the HSC aspirants, all the HSC professional wait for the year to listen this news. Yeah, you're absolutely right. The notification for the admissions into RLI and CLI are out. Just you need to visit dgfasli.gov.in. You need to log in to the website, and at the right hand side under the section what's new, you need to click on view all. And the third point, here you go, ADIS, PDIS, DIS course prospectus and application for the academic year 2022-2023 is out. So the last date for application is 31/05/2022, that is till the end of May. And when you click this point number 3, so you'll be like directed through the prospectus and combined application form. It means it has the prospectus which showcase the detail what the course is about, what the duration is, methodology, examinations, qualification and experiences. So note like BSc, MSc degree with physics or chemistry as a major subject will be considered only from UGC approved college, university, or degree or diploma in any branch of technology, engineering, degree in physics or chemistry as a major subject. And here you will get all the details. Just I'm not jumping into the complete into much detail. Just for the video, the motive of this video is to share you that the application is out and you can go through this all these details, fees, school fees, submission of applications, at what time, through what post you can do it, and the regional ones, the person, those are the different states, different city where you need to apply, the zone coming under jurisdiction of the institute, that everything is mentioned here. And at the end you will get this application form. So this we'll be talking this about in another video. I will let you know how you can fill this application form, and that's it. So in meanwhile, until I make my second video on the application form and interview preparations, any doubt you have, you can reach me anytime. You can post your comments on the YouTube channel by this video, or in Instagram page, direct message you can drop in on Instagram page or Facebook page HSC Talks with Mohit. So all the options are available with you all guys. So that's it. This was the aim, to just let you know. Visit the dgfasli.gov.in websites, and under the section what's new, point number 3, here you go, this is the applications. So just have a look. We will meet soon with more videos for the preparation part and for the application, how to fill it. And as I said, in meantime, any doubt, any questions you have, feel free to post your questions on the YouTube or LinkedIn page or Instagram page, and I will make sure I respond all of your queries. So thank you. Speak soon. Bye.